There's some pissed off ants. There's a dog that's out to learn there's a bunch of pissed off ants. I wouldn't fuck with them, Olive. Come on. So this is the Lone Rock. And like this lake, it's called Lake Powell. There's some stuff far off in the distance. But again, there's Lone Rock. It's just all alone in the middle.